Hello scholars, I hope you're feeling fabulous. Let's learn about density. Density. So we're reading along here. It says density reading. Volume, okay, I know volume is how much space something takes up, and mass, I know mass is like weight or matter. So volume, how much space, and mass, weight, can be related together through density. Density is a measure of how compact something is. I know compact means like squished together. Okay, so how compact something is can be calculated by dividing the mass by the volume. An example of something that is very dense would be a block of metal. So a lot of stuff squished together in metal. Even a relatively small volume block of metal will be fairly heavy because there's a lot of matter contained in the block. So dense equals high matter for a low volume, low V. A low density object would be a feather pillow. That'd be nice. Wish I had a feather pillow. The pillow may in fact have a higher volume, so that means it would be larger than the block of metal, but it certainly weighs less because there's less matter in the pillow. So the equation for density is below, but it's right here. So density equals mass divided by volume. Let's look at this picture. This one says high density, so that means it is very compact. It's really squished together. This one says low density, which means it's spread out, which definitely is what I see. This one is squished together, so even a small amount of this would probably be very heavy, whereas this one is not squished together. A small amount of this, or even a large amount of this, might not even be that heavy. So this would be like the metal, and this would be like the pillow. Cool. Ooh, calculations. Yay, math. I hope you're doing your little happy dance. If you want to pause it and do a little happy dance because we're doing math, that's fine. I'll be here. Okay, you're back from your happy dance. Great. Number one, what is the density of a piece of lead that weighs, so this is the mass, 38.5 grams, and takes up 3.5 centimeter cubed of space? So this is the volume. Well, I know density is mass over volume, so I just mass divided by volume, do my long division, and we get the answer. I think it's interesting. Look, they write in a sentence, the density of the lead is 11 grams per centimeter cubed. I like how they write that in a sentence. You should do that when you write answers so that I understand you actually know what it means. Number two, if a pillow has a density of 0.2 gram per milliliter, how big is a 1,000 gram pillow? Well, now I'm not solving for density. It gives me the density. So I'm going to use the density, use as conversion factor, which is right here. So here the grams go on bottom, so it cancels out. All that's left is milliliters. You get 1,000 divided by 0.2, which becomes 5,000 milliliters. So the pillow would take up 5,000 milliliters of space. Interesting. If you need more practice on density problems, you can rewatch the video, or you could look for density conversion on Google and see if you find a worksheet. That'd be cool. All right. See you in class.